Okay, well go get you're gonna fill it up. Farmer Jett.
Yeah.
Okay, go get your tractor. No, go get your tractor. Get your tractor. Bring your tractor to the trailer. Bring your tractor over here. There you go. You are running out of juice, ain't you? Go. Gotta hurry, we're running out of gas. Okay, turn around, turn it. There you go. Back up. Whoa. You gotta turn your wheels the other way. Turn to the right. Turn your wheel to the right. There you go. Now go forward. Okay, now turn your wheel to the left. Stop. Turn your wheel to the left. Turn your wheel to the left and back up. Turn your wheel to the left. Go forward. Turn right. Turn right. I'm trying to teach you how to couple up, but you won't listen. Now back up. Back up. Now stop. Turn your wheel to the right. Jett, stop and turn your wheels to the right. No, you're not. Turn the wheel. Now go forward. Stop. Turn your wheel to the right. I'm not going to teach you how to couple up if you don't listen. Turn it right. Okay, now stop. Turn your wheel to the left. Okay, now put it in reverse. Now look backwards, and steer into the trailer. Stop! Okay, now couple up. Hop out and couple it up.
Mommy tried it.
Okay. Your first couple